Wagwan people, you're tuning into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at a video called Fake Security Guard Prank. I don't know if you guys have seen these when they go into the malls or they stand up outside and they just randomly ask people to put their arms up for a search, and people just do it. It's just funny that people, if it seems like it should be there, people will allow it. That is the vibe I get from this. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about this prank. And it's coming from Deadrian Harding, okay? That's who the prankster is, and that's who we're gonna be tuning into today. We're just gonna get right into it. I'll see you guys later.
I make pretty bitches get nasty. All right, you guys, we're currently at Walmart right now in St. Augustine, Florida, and we've been getting numerous calls that niggas have been stealing inside of Walmart.
Right away, those beads in your head will tell me you're not a security. I don't know. I just feel like you can't do that at a security job because nobody's gonna take you serious. I'm not gonna feel secure when you have all these colorful ass beads in your head.
So I brought a Modern X today.
Oh, hell no.
Go ahead and
Security and shorts?
handle these niggas. Excuse me, sir? Listen, whatever's in your pockets, you might as well just go ahead and give it up. They caught you on camera, my boy. So everything that you done stole already, everything that you done stole, you might as well just go ahead.
This poor old guy. Why would you choose an old guy? What if this guy had a heart attack, bro? Like, these guys are so wicked.
And give it up.
I ain't stole nothing.
They literally caught you on 4K. I've been waiting to hit somebody with a left-right hook. So if there's really an issue here, we can get the issue solved.
Stay right here.
Back up. Can I get back up, please?
Oh, shit.
Store in my pockets.
Listen, all right, little do you know, we're secret shoppers. We're the Walmart CEOs, all right? So now you done got caught in 4K, and we the rich ones, too. So listen.
All right, bro. The security came out in Gucci slides.
We go up here to the office, and you take my pockets.
We can check your pockets right here, right now, since you want to sit here and lie about stuff.
I'm not lying.
You're not lying?
No.
Do you mind if we pat you down? Do you mind if we pat you down?
Sure.
All right, bet.
Right ahead.
This is crazy. This man's allowing random people to pat him down.
What's this right here, sir?
Yo, the man said, I don't know what you're talking about. Nothing is there.
What's that right there?
What I just showed you in my pocket.
What the fuck is going on here?
All right, sir.
Bro, okay, what is wrong with this other security guard here? That's some weird shit.
Can you go ahead and do
Security has on Crocs. I guess you gotta be comfortable.
like this?
Secure.
Like you was a gymnast? God damn, did you put deodorant on today? Sheesh.
This poor
my
old
God,
man.
You check this one? All right.
Yo, I would have died if he just gave one of them a right hook. Like, what you mean if he put on deodorant today? That's so rude.
Well, listen, this time you got lucky.
My ass.
Yeah, this time you got lucky. We catch you stealing again.
no
Hello Kitty watches. You have to stoop down to that level to take.
Man has two different Crocs on. There's no way I'm taking this guy as a security. There's no way.
Look,
Hello
I'm not
Kitty
a fucking
watches?
thief. And if you're accusing me of being a thief, I'll sue these motherfuckers.
Well, you might have to go ahead and sue him then.
I will.
Yo, these guys are getting Walmart in trouble, bro. I'm so dead.
Hey, I just heard it from Big Boss to come to you. You know what I'm
Wait,
saying?
get the big boss down here. I don't have to talk to him myself.
All right, go ahead. When you find the Big Boss, let me know, because I don't even know Big Boss myself. So if you find him, let me know.
You just said he got to tell you to come down here to get me.
Then how the
out.
fuck you don't know?
Private number. We get called through a private number.
We get called through no caller IDs.
Call him.
Yeah, man, you don't have to steal from corporations, man. That's stooping real low. To steal from a store?
I'm not stealing. Did you find anything on me, fucker?
You know what? This time we did it, but maybe next time we will.
You won't.
What you reaching for?
Something to kill.
Okay.
Yo, the way he pulled out that photo, it did look like he's pulling for something. But you guys just searched him, so stop beaking.
I thought that was.
Motherfucker.
Oh, you want to kill me?
Is that what he stole?
Nigga stole a passport. How do you obtain that off of another human in the store?
Call me to make sure I pay for this stuff. Huh?
I believe you.
Now he's seen another bystander, so now he hyped.
We believe
Come on,
you.
follow me. Make sure I pay for it, all right?
Man, I only follow you if you guarantee to drop them draws.
You done searched me. I got nothing.
Did he not hear what this man just said to him? Like right there, I would sue Walmart.
I mean, I ain't get to see inside your drawers.
Like, isn't it Walmart's responsibility to make sure no security is in their premise, acting like their
Show
security?
me what's inside them drawers right now.
Do what?
Show me what's inside them
I
drawers.
What'd you say?
Show me what's inside them drawers.
No.
You just stumbled into the wrong conversation there, my boy.
That's my boy.
Yeah, man, let's go ahead and keep it pushing, man.
Yeah, take it easy, man.
What did you just say for me to do?
Yo, why is this old guy gonna act? Why is he acting like he's gonna turn around and do something? Go about your business before you get slapped.
What did you just tell me?
Hey, all right, you two don't want
He's
no
being a
problem.
badass. He thinks he's a badass.
Just get the store manager down here.
I am the manager.
They are accusing me of stealing from this store.
No,
and
there's an
I got nothing
employee.
on me, And they searched me. And he's still being a
Yo,
badass.
my guy that's the employee, the man saw what's going on, and the man said, yo, I'm taking a left.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen. We just got.
I got work to
call
do.
from a no ID phone, so I'm just doing my job.
You didn't apologize when you found that I have nothing. You've got nothing on me, and you're still running your mouth about me, and I'm not a fucking thief, and I don't like being called one.
You trying to take this outside?
No, I ain't taking it outside.
We'll both get butt naked and wrestle.
Fuck you, you asshole.
I mean, at this
You
point,
never
you
seen a
should,
butt naked.
at this point, you should know he's not, fucking a security guard.
Black man before?
If you're working in the store, you need to clean your act up, all three of you.
How you
Yep.
gonna tell me what to do when I
Tell him,
work
boss.
here, sir?
That's what
I
I
will
just
get
got through
mad.
telling you. You,
Oh, so you used to work here?
Talk to the man
you need
above.
to
You can't
clean
tell
up
that.
your act.
So you used to work here?
What?
You used to work here?
No, I haven't worked
Oh,
here
then how you gonna tell me tips on how to do my job then?
because I have eyes and I can see and ears and I can hear.
Oh, for real? Man, I thought you had cataracts or something, man. My bad.
What? What? These guys are so rude.
Smart ass.
Bro, I hope that after these pranks, they go up to the people and apologize, because that shit is kind of fucked. Like, you're old, you know, you lived a long life. Man probably went to work, come back to get dissed in Walmart. Just trying to buy, what is that? A paper shredder?
All I gotta do is contact the regional manager.
You can't do that because we are the regional managers.
Who contacted us?
Exactly.
I don't believe that.
Wait, how did you even get tied into this? How'd you even get into this conversation?
Trash can. You might have something in there.
You hiding stuff inside that trash can?
What's your name, Mr. Security?
Huh?
What's your name?
Jonathan Kirk.
Jonathan Curtis.
Yeah, but I go by the baby.
I'm going for manager right now.
All right, bet. Jonathan
Yo.
Kirk, aka the baby.
I got it. Come on with me if you want to.
Oh, no, I'm still on the clock right now. You gotta wait till I clock out in about 30 minutes, then I'll be able to follow you. So if you wanna wait right there for the next 30 minutes,
I'm telling you.
All right, how about you and your boyfriend? Y'all just wait up there and we'll be up there shortly.
Nah, these niggas too disrespectful.
Think a bunch of
They taking
hey,
it
y'all
too
just give us
far.
some time. Damn, y'all done became best friends. We done created a beautiful friendship.
What the hell just happened?
Bro, me and my, we was like, we started spitting in that nigga ass. I do what I
Bro, what the fuck?